This is the home page where the public can browse all the available jobs. I've got filter sections here where you can navigate through and filter it to find your job through keyword, where if you enter a keyword it will filter it and show you anything that's related to that keyword. Or you can click browse jobs to view all again. The minimum and maximum salary filter doesn't work at the moment and gives me an error, but I explain this in the weaknesses and bugs section. The filter category works fine, where it can just display the category you choose, and then you can click this to show all the jobs again. The public end can apply for a job and fill in their information.
That's what I needed.
And then they must specify the reference code of the job they're applying for,
I don't even want to see it.
and then once it's submitted, it gets passed through into MySQL. This is all the public end. Then if you access the admin area, it shows all the admin features where you can alter jobs. You can add a job you like, such as flight attendant, and then you'd have to assign it a job reference code. That's a primary key, so it has to be filled in. Then you can give it salary, location, just give it a random description. Assign it a category when you add the job, and then if you add the job, it shows up in the main job section. Then when you try and edit the job, you just enter the reference code of the job that you want to edit, then change it to whatever you want, and if you edit it, it changes the values to what I put before. Then to delete the job that you added, you just have to specify the reference code again to delete, and this will query the database to delete the job. Then to alter categories, you can add a category. Just add a category, and then you'd be able to view it from any of the drop-down menus created. So when you go to edit a category again, you can just change it by selecting it from the drop-down menu, and then it becomes what you changed it to. So when you go to delete it, all you have to do is select it from the drop down menu, delete, and it disappears.
100.
To view applications for jobs, this was the one when demonstrating the apply before, but to demonstrate it again, just to show that it works. The only essential bit is the reference job code. So when you go to view applications again, it gets passed through to the SQL. Also, when you try to view applications by job, you just need to select the reference code itself. So if you want to view all jobs related to the reference code of 3, you just select it and only 3 jobs related to the reference code 3 will show up. And then finally log out. You can log out and then you'd have to log in again. And public end cannot just access admin side. So if you tried to access an admin page without being logged in, it would display an error message. So you must log in first before you can see the admin section.